This is the sound of love. When human nature feels the sound, we'll tear it down, then justify.
probably end up in it.
Mach mich reich.
wrapped up so tight, so maybe you should shut your mouth. Shut your mouth, you never shut your mouth. Honestly, I think it's kind of funny that you waste your breath talking about me. Got me feeling kind of special.